That's it! It's massive! Copy that, Rescue 1. Hold position until the Cobras disperse.
All teams confirm cable tension sequence 6. We are clear for the first lift.
If you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel, Aero Rebuild Master.
Did you notice that movement near the landing gear? Yeah, stay alert. We have confirmed activity in Section 4.
Maintain current ascent rate. We are clear of the scaffolding on the port side.
Roger that. Monitoring starboard clearance now.
We need a full corrosion report on Section 4.
Copy that. Logging the fatigue now.
Hold position, crane 2. We are 3 millimeters off.
Roger, holding steady.
Adjusting the guide wires now. Hub assembly looks good. No defects on the mounting interface. Verified. Logging the restraint removal now. Blades are perfect. The readings here indicate severe fatigue near the mounting structure.
Yes, and the corrosion on the bulkhead is extensive. We need to document this immediately.
The oxidation on this support beam is worse than we thought.
And the hydraulic mounts are completely shot. Document the microfractures in bulkhead 42 before we touch the wing box.
Hold position on the starboard side. We have alignment deviation at Station 4. Copy that. Adjusting now.
Okay, bring the gantry forward another 3 inches. Watch the starboard coupling. 3 inches forward, confirmed. Engaging servos now.
Engineering confirms structural integrity across all sections.
Copy that. Moving to final wing root inspection.
The tolerances look good on this bracket. Agreed. Cross-reference with the manifest. Team B, move the staging platform clear. Check the serial numbers on the main spar assembly against the manifest. Confirmed. Lead engineer. Tolerances are within spec. Ready for staging.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another 2 meters and hold it there. Confirmed, 2 meters down.
Confirming receipt of the hydraulic system components. Serial numbers match the manifest. Roger that. We need to clear this bay for the forward fuselage section delivery by 1400 hours. Bring the starboard panel down 5 centimeters. Steady, steady. Alignment references confirmed. Lock it down.
Okay, bring the gantry forward another 3 inches. Watch the starboard coupling. 3 inches forward, confirmed. Engaging servos now. Check the tolerances on that housing.
Reads within limits on the tablet. Verifying fitment.
Alignment confirmed on the forward strut. Copy that.
Proceeding with the final adjustment.
Check the pressure fittings on manifold 7.
Verified. All within tolerance.
Approaching attachment point 4. Tolerances are green.
Confirmed. Keep the hoist steady.
Okay, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Alignment looks good on sector 4. Start the riveting sequence. All teams, confirm structural alignment on the starboard mount. Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with torque sequence.
Verify the part number on this avionics module.
Confirmed. Documenting the serial number now. Ensure the torque is set to 75 foot-pounds on that bracket. Roger that. Verifying alignment now. Final inspection complete. All teams prepare for paint and detailing. The aircraft is ready.
Alignment looks good on the readout. Verify torque on S5 through S8.
Confirmed, all green, ready for the final safety check. Check the alignment on the starboard wing root. Looks good here, within tolerance. The reinforcement plates are solid. Ensure the truss alignment is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Reading green on the laser scan. The humidity levels are stable in Sector 4.
Good, the satin finish is progressing perfectly. All navigation systems online and stable. Confirmed. Strobes are synchronized.
Systems check complete. All parameters nominal.
Roger that. Hydraulic pressure steady. Gear indicators green. Hydraulic pressure is stable. Move to avionics check. Avionics responding normally. Stand by for synchronization. Synchronization complete. All external lights operational.